Welcome to another Simple Dad Snapchat tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Mention Me sticker on Snapchat. Just a reminder, at the end of this video, I'd appreciate if you can let me know if this video was helpful or not. You can do this by hitting the thumbs up button or the thumbs down button. So ever heard of people saying, mention me on Snapchat story? If yes, then that means the user wants you to mention their username on your story. So let me show you how to use this sticker, Mention Me. So first, go ahead and open up Snapchat. Now you want to take a picture for your story. Now tap on the sticker icon here, the top right. And now within your star, your favorite tab, you'll see mention. So go ahead and tap on that. And now you have a selection of usernames which you can mention. And so you can go ahead and choose from that. Once you tap on it, you'll see it change color. Go ahead and do that. You can also move it anywhere you like and resize it as per your choice. And that is how to use Mention Me sticker on Snapchat. If this video was helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.